Hi guys, Senja Aldee again here and thank you for being here with me. For those who have not seen my other videos about Lombok, I suggest to check out my Lost in Indonesia playlist where I put all my Lombok videos there. This episode is about Seger Hill in South Lombok and Mandalika Princess statue and what is the history behind. While driving towards the hill, somehow I have the feeling that this place looks like Sri Lanka. I don't know why. Maybe because of the coconut tree that is a lot in Lombok. Hill, as the name, is a small hill that you can climb and you can get a dramatic view from the top. On the right foot of the hill lies the statue of Mandalika Princess Running chased by Prince. This is the hill and I managed to fly my drone here and enjoy the footage. Across this wooden bridge is an area that will be developed for more big hotels. This area is part of the circuit for the Mandalika MotoGP circuit. Also, many places are already being signed up for more development. Princess Mandalika, the origin of Bau Nyale festival in Lombok. Bau Nyale in Sasak language which meant to catch the seaworm. The story is about a beautiful princess named Mandalika, the daughter of the ruler of Lombok Island, King Tonjang Beru. Her beauty is heard by many of crown princes from neighboring kingdoms whom want to get to her heart, but none of them could attract her attention, leading to wars between neighboring kingdoms. Long story short, to avoid more war, she gathered all the princes by Seger Kuta beach in just before the sunrise. She announced that she will not choose any of them, and her destiny lies on this beach, becoming Nyale, a seaworm. I will emerge in several occasions, she said, and I wish my sacrifice would be beneficial to all of you for now and then. After that, she plunged into the sea and disappeared. This is the start of Bau Nyale Festival in Lombok, an event that I haven't managed to cover yet, and I hope I can do it in 2020. After sending my prayers to the princess in my heart, my driver and I continue our journey to Seger Hill. See you on that video, my friend, and bye-bye!